Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto and make a bank transfer on crypto.com. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, open the crypto.com app and go to your crypto wallet. To deposit crypto, tap Deposit and select the cryptocurrency you want to add. The app will generate a wallet address for that specific crypto. Copy the address carefully and use it to send crypto from another exchange or wallet. Always double-check the address and the blockchain network to avoid losing your funds. If you want to deposit fiat via bank transfer, go to the fiat wallet in the app. Tap Deposit, choose your currency, and select Bank Transfer. Follow the instructions to link your bank account if you haven't already, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. Once the deposit is completed, your funds will appear in your crypto.com wallet, ready for trading, swapping, or sending to an external wallet. That's it. Depositing crypto or fiat on crypto.com is simple once you know the steps. If this helped you, hit like so more people can find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.